Live from the T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas, Nevada, it's showtime!
You got knocked the fuck out, man!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through on how you guys can get this black eye missing tooth look, super inspired from the McGregor and Mayweather fight. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics along with their fluffy blending brush. You want to go ahead and use the yellow color right underneath your eye and buff it in. And then when you're done buffing in the yellow color and you feel like you can really see that pigment, you want to layer with an orange color right underneath the eye. Then I went ahead with purple eyeshadow and I added it right underneath my crease, and then I used the contour kit to intensify the creasing and the bruising effect underneath my eye. You don't have to be precise with this at all. I used my finger and a little bit of concealer just to clean up the edges. I then used a Reynolds wrap foil right out of my mom's kitchen and took a small piece and wrapped it around my tooth. And then I take the Tarte Cosmetics gel liner in the color black and just dab it right onto the tooth, and you don't want to rub because the product will come off. You may want to work on your boxing stance a little bit, grab a few props, and you got yourself a beat up boxer. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next video.